Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a half-face neon skull inspired by James Charles. To start, I'm just putting foundation on the top of my face because the rest is going to be covered in black. For my eyes, I packed on some black eyeshadow and I'm blending it out with a small blending brush. And any areas that I feel need more black, I'm just going to pack on and keep repeating this until I feel like it's blended out to my liking. So for the neon part, I'm going to use this white cream makeup. You can find it at any Halloween store or Rite Aid, Walgreens, Walmart, anywhere that sells Halloween makeup, or you can use any regular white eyeliner. I'm using this in the shape as like a wing kind of cutting out my crease and then winging it out. And then going right over that shape, I'm taking the colors that I choose to use in my rainbow and just blending that out. Not precisely, just kind of shading it out and making it look kind of blurry. So after I color that first line of white with the colors that we have, I go in with the second white line and it kind of brightens everything up, and then I'm gonna also put the colors on top of that one as well, and it helps it really look like it's glowing as if it was a neon light. So for this third coat, I'm gonna lightly brush over the same colors that we've been using, just so that way it keeps it really looking white, but you also have the color glowing over it. So after we've gotten our colors put on there, I'm going to go in and clean it up with the dark black and just clean up any fallout from the different colors that we've used. Now with a little bit of black eyeshadow, I'm sketching out the area that I want to draw the skull on. I'm just going to fill that with black. I would prefer a black cream makeup, but I'm using eyeshadow. Now with the same white cream makeup, I'm going to outline the areas we want to make look really neon. And that's pretty much just like the jawline, the teeth, and the cheekbone. So right here, I'm just going to make the teeth look more like teeth. And just like the eyeliner, I'm putting the colors that I used on my eyelid. So from pink to orange, green, blue, purple, and then I'm starting over with pink and orange and yellow. Just fading all of this out on each separate line. I'm starting with pink and I'm going out towards blue and purple. And just like with the eyeliner, I go right back over it all with white. And since it does take so long to do the whole mask part, I only do this twice. So unlike the eyeliner, when I repeat it about 3 times, I only go over it with white one more time, and you can still see a lot of the color. It shows up more than the eyeliner does. I'm wiping away the bake on my face, and just like with my eyeliner, I'm filling in the black parts with some black again just to darken it. So to finish off the eyes, I'm adding on eyeliner to my waterline, and then I'm going in my inner corner with Diamond Dust by Stila. That is all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked this half-face skull neon look. Make sure you leave me feedback in the comments below. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.